An update first on today's top story, those sweeping wins for Donald Trump and Bernie Sanders in the New Hampshire primary. ABC's Cecilia Vega is live in Manchester, New Hampshire with the latest. Good morning, Cecilia.
George, good morning to you. The consensus here this morning, voters are fed up with the establishment and the message they want to send. Bernie Sanders and Donald Trump need to be taken seriously.
Wow. We want to thank the people of New Hampshire, right?
Overnight, Donald Trump and Bernie Sanders winning big in New Hampshire.
Thank you, New Hampshire.
Senator Sanders, the only candidate in this race getting the seal of approval from young voters.
We have sent the message that will echo from Wall Street to Washington.
This morning, Donald Trump just off his huge victory, speaking with George.
We were getting just great signals. We'd have a rally and, many people would show up, many more than we ever anticipated. It's a great place, New Hampshire. I love the people.
And while John Kasich finished in second place, he is now considered to be the top contender in what's being called the establishment lane.
I absolutely do believe that I can not only unify the party, but I also believe I can bring back that Reagan blue-collar Democrat who they were for Reagan.
And this morning, that fight moves on to South Carolina, and Hillary Clinton is not backing down.
Now we take this campaign to the entire country. We're going to fight for every vote in every state.
And winning in South Carolina, Nevada also will be critical for Hillary Clinton now. This huge loss here, a very narrow win in Iowa, George, not where this once presumed frontrunner thought she would be at this stage of the race, George.
Started out 50 points up. Okay, Cecilia, thanks very much.